Dragonflies first flew around 350 million years ago, and insects had the skies to themselves for 150 million years thereafter. And then a different kind of animal joined them in the air. As the dinosaurs dominated the land, so the pterosaurs now ruled the skies. Pterosaurs had wings of skin stretched between one enormously elongated finger and their flanks. They flew over the sea as well as the land. It seems likely that some roosted on cliffs and launched themselves into the air as gannets do today. They probably snatched fish from the surface of the sea, and some certainly fell into it. Their bodies were buried by mud, the mud turned to limestone and eventually became exposed in great quarries, like this one in southern Germany. Today, separating the layers of sediment is just like searching through the pages of a visitor's book that hasn't been opened for 150 million years. Of course, nearly all the pages are absolutely blank. Visitors, after all, were very few. But every now and again, you come across a signature that is unmistakable. A fish the size of a sardine. A shrimp, even its antennae perfectly preserved. One of those pioneering dragonflies, nearly 6 inches across. And a pterosaur with skinny wings and teeth in its jaws. With so many superb fossils, people thought that they had a complete list of the visitors to the lagoon. And then, in the middle of the last century, a signature was discovered that was wholly unexpected and totally amazing. This is it. It's a feather. Its barbs are narrower on one side of the quill than the other, just as they are on the feathers of a modern bird's wing. This asymmetry is a sure sign that such feathers were used for flight. But what animal at the time of the dinosaurs could have such a wing? The answer was found the very next year in the same quarry, a fossil with its feathers still attached to its body. This is Archaeopteryx. It had 3 toes armed with claws and long, strong legs. Clearly, it walked and perched like a bird. But its head was very reptilian, with bony jaws. And in those jaws, teeth. Its spine was extended into a bony tail, again like that of a reptile. But on either side of the tailbones, clearly visible, it had those characteristic possessions of birds, feathers.